What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy. This one's for all the bartenders on this channel. I'm not sure how many bartenders still follow me, as I don't do too many bartending videos. COVID kind of shut that down, but there will be bartending videos on this channel. Anyways, I want to talk about bar kits. So I've got a bar kit going out here. It's a rental item. And, you know, thinking back, when I first started a bartending service, I should have been renting out a bar kit. It's all about multiple revenue streams. So if you're a bartender, yeah, you can offer a bartending service, but majority of your money is on add-ons and rentals on top of the service anyways. So why don't you offer this stuff on the side? If it's not being rented with your service that day, it might as well be going out somewhere else at a premium price, right? So you could advertise bar kits on wedding buy and sells. You could advertise any of the portable bars that you have, and people can come pick them up from you, and you can make some extra scratch off it. And then it'll also kind of leverage you a little bit into the rental game. So right here, I'll show you a bar kit that I'm just putting together for a client. Okay, so there's the bin with the bar mats, the serving tray, an ice bin, 2 scoops, condiment tray, 12 pour spouts, 2 fresh rags, cutting board. I usually use a better one, but I couldn't find any today. Cutting board. A few wine openers. Shaker tin. Paring knife. A few bar blades or bottle openers. Rimmer tray. Get your rimmer tray. A few shot glasses. Spray bottle, slop bucket. Literally, I rent this for 55 bucks. Yes, granted, it only goes out maybe 4 times a year, but that's what, $220 that I never had before. And the portable bars, different story, right? The more items that you had, the more money that you're gonna make. Add items, put them out there. If you don't put them out there, then you'll never know. Just think to yourself, with my bartending service, how many ways can I make money? So with my bartending service, I rent the bar gear, I have the bartending service, I rent the bars, I rent out the glassware, I do bartending teaching classes, I do molecular cocktail classes. I just squeeze it from every possible angle that I can. So whenever you're doing anything, just try and squeeze money from every possible way that you can. And that's multiple revenue streams. And this is the bar kit, one of my revenue streams. And another little secret, it's all about packaging. Labeling things to feel more professional, packaging things so that they look more clean. Just do it that way. That little bit of seal right there is gonna leave lasting impression for the client. It won't be like, oh, this guy is delivering this stuff in a bin or a box to me. It's like, oh, okay, so he took the time to seal that. If it's sealed, it's gotta be clean. Okay, and one last thing. You know, if the stuff stinks, if you smell it stinking, don't be like, oh, it'll be fine, it'll go out. Spray it with something nice. The client's gonna think, wow, their stuff smells nice. Or, did they spray it with something? Did they actually spray their stuff and go that extra mile? Like, blow their mind, make their mind go to those places. Because if they smell that stuff, they'll probably not say anything to anyone, but it'll leave a mental note in their head. Like, oh, you know, these people go the extra mile. Their stuff smells good. Or, how does it smell like that? The reason is because I just like that. Subtle, yet refreshing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this little video. And if you're a bartender, rent out your bar kits. Just do it.
Why the hell would I want to do that?